Hello all! In this video, let's see how to solve one of the more challenging 2021 PSLE math questions regarding books. The question is, a bookshelf can fit either 30 big books or 45 small books. There are 3 big books and 23 small books on the bookshelf currently. So what is the maximum number of big books that can be added onto the bookshelf? To solve this question, we can try to use ratio. So in the question, we want to calculate in terms of the number of big books that can be added to the bookshelf. So we will first need to find out whether these 23 small books, how many big books is these 23 small books equivalent to? Using ratio, let's write down big books is to small books, how many we'll have. So based on the question just now, we have 30 big books is to 45 small books that we can place on the single bookshelf. So we have also discussed just now that in terms of the big books that we want to calculate in terms of, we want to find out first how many big books are the 23 small books equivalent to. So how do we get 23 on this right hand side? We'll first make it into 1 and then make it into 23. So to get 1, we'll first divide both sides by 45. So here for the big books, you'll get 30 divided by 45, which is 2/3. So when you divide by 15 on the numerator and the denominator, you'll get 2/3. And how do we get 23 here? You'll have to multiply 23 on both sides. So here, we'll get 46 over 3, which is actually 15 and 1/3. So now that we get this 15 and 1/3 big books, so this means that this 23 small books is almost equals to how much? We don't actually have 15 and 1/3 books, because books cannot have 1/3, it can only have whole numbers. So what we do is we can round it up because it has already taken up the space on the shelf. So we can round it up and get 16. So next step will be 30, which is the maximum number of big books that the shelf can hold. Subtract away 16. 16 is based on these small books just now. So these small books, we have already kind of like written it in terms of big books now. And this 3 is in the question stated that we have already currently 3 big books on the shelf. So now we'll get 11. So therefore, the maximum number of big books that can be added on the bookshelf will be 11. This is the end of this question. If you have any further queries, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss out on new contents. See you around!